I walk slowly, as though the evening itself has asked me not to hurry. The park is breathing in shades of green, deep, gentle, endless. Leaves whisper above me like old friends who know all my secrets and have chosen silence over questions. The grass is still warm from the afternoon sun. It welcomes my footsteps without complaint. Somewhere, a bird is practicing goodbye, and the sky is beginning to unbutton its light. I am alone, but not lonely. Solitude here feels like a companion who understands that some hearts bloom best when no one is watching. The wind brushes past my wrist like a soft confession. Every tree seems to be standing in meditation. Every flower looks like it has forgiven the world. As I walk, my thoughts loosen their knots. Memories rise like slow bubbles from a quiet lake and burst without hurting me. Dear viewers, I have filmed this video in the premises of Srimanta Shankardev Kalakshetra in Guwahati. It's an absolutely gorgeous, stunning place to be in. Please let me know if you liked today's video. Also let me know if you would like more content of this type. If you visit Guwahati in the future, do make sure to visit the Kalakshetra premises. It's a zone of peace, tranquility, and calmness. I really enjoy my visits here. I often come here in the early hours of the morning. I come here for a morning walk. But then again, I love to come to this place in the evening also. And I'll be making more content of this type in the future. And I'll be very, very happy, very delighted if you share this video with your friends so that it gets a good reach and distribution. And please let me know what you think about today's content. And I would love to hear from you and read your feedback. So I'm waiting for your reaction. So please show some kind of love and support for this type of unique content.